AmCraft Manufacturing reinforces our pit hoses at the point where the cuff is sewn. Placing adhesive tape onto the stitched area creates an even stronger bond between the hose and the cuff. This extra attention to detail minimizes the chance of tearing. AmCraft's pit hoses are made out of extra thick 20-ounce PVC material with a strong spiral welded seam construction. Because pit hoses have to fit into a pit, they are not insulated. Therefore, the thicker material will help you reduce temperature loss. On the inlet end of the hose, we sew a soft cuff which will be clamped onto the air conditioning unit. On the outlet end, which also gets reinforced, we sew a zipper or a Velcro male cuff in order to attach a reducer unit onto the outlet end of the hose. The reducer unit, also called an outlet unit, reduces the hose diameter to 8 inches, which fits onto the aircraft connector. The length of the pit hose depends on the depth or height of the hose pit. The longest pit hose AmCraft manufactures is 43 feet long. The 43 feet of pit hose retracts to 8 or 9 feet depending on how much you press the hose together.